So guys, again, hi, part 2. This is not an entertaining video. It's for the education purposes, or know how to do this, or what to be prepared for. So what I want to say. So first of all, yes, use the bigger stands, higher stands a little bit. If you have a set like me, black one and yellow one, so put the yellow one here, black one over there. So you still have to be careful with the pipes, with the lines. Be careful again. So the front differential, 4 bolts, number 18. No need special tools. It's possible to remove, probably possible to put it back. To remove it from there, that's how much you need to lower the subframe. That's how much. I believe it's like a 20 centimeters. It's a lot. I'm not sure how much is in inches. What else I would like to tell you? Yeah, the bolts for the exhaust manifold. Like instruction says, anti-seize forever or something. Yes, it's true. No issue. That was right. So you can do like get that one, size 11, and will be undone really easy. What else? Oh yeah, I didn't have to. Just a second. Yeah, didn't have to remove the pipe, so you can avoid that. Just push it a little bit further and it's done. So what else? Yeah, that's basically where you have to go. Of course, because this car wasn't really maintained before, I did the maintenance. I will clean it up. It's really good, dry engine. Everything can complain. Really good car. Yeah, if you're thinking N62 it's a bad engine, I disagree with you. Yeah, I disagree with you because it's a very reliable, good engine. Just I need to know how to maintain, and everything will be great. And if you don't believe me that I think the N62 is a great engine, I personally drive car with the N62 engine. So I enjoy it. Really good fuel consumption, really accelerates really fast, and yeah. So small summary about this job. This is my old catalytic converter. I'm not sure that it's a you can, yeah, no, you can't see, actually you can't, but it has a couple problems. Some of the cells are crushed, bunch of dust inside, the catalytic converter dust. So yeah, it's probably was time to replace it. Yeah, what can I say? Yeah, what can I say? It took me like maybe 10 hours to remove. Maybe if I didn't have a sidekick, that would be maybe faster. But yeah. So I hope I'm gonna put everything back in a couple hours. I hope so, because when you don't know how to do this, it takes more time. But when you know, it's faster and easier. So I will maintain all the connection, all the gears. I'll put the new oil in the front differential, and the car should be good to go. Yeah, I will put I'll try to put a small video, how does it work in the end. And yeah, everybody good luck. Consider to subscribe. One more time, again, this is not an entertaining video. It's a video about how to do this and what to expect. Yeah, with my video, probably you can do this in a few hours, maybe 3-4. Not like me, because I didn't know what to remove. On the video, I tried to touch some kind of points, and if you watch this couple times, you would make a really good idea what to do, what to expect. Oh yes, I forgot to mention, I know I said already, subscribe and join me on this one. So this one, you need to remove the engine mount, and this is how it's mounted, this way. Yeah, this is how it's mounted. There's a two and a different, like what is this, gearbox bolts, and this one it's possible to do because of the small groove. Where's my thumb? You can just put like this and do it back. And this one, there shouldn't be any questions, it's super easy. So yeah, this is the last what I wanted to say. And again, subscribe and have a great weekend or whatever day you have. Bye.